Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here, new and old subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Today we are going to open my Boxycharm. I just got it in the mail yesterday and I can't wait. So I hear ColourPop is going to be in here, and ColourPop is pretty good. I don't like their singles, but I do like their palettes. They are usually really pigmented. So let's open this up together. Bam. Ooh, I see Tarte. I see Tarte. Oh my gosh. Okay, before I dig into what is in here, we have a little pamphlet. It says this eye candy. It's got, okay, so it oh geez. Oh, I hope I didn't get that palette because, okay, we're going to move on. Anyways, it starts to show you prices of things that are in here. To begin with, we have Odyssey, and don't quote me, I don't know if I'm saying it right. Odyssey, whatever it is right there. High definition liquid lipstick. Ooh, interesting. I have never heard of them. Actually, I think I have, but I know I've never tried them. I don't know. This says Odyssey High Definition Liquid Lipstick is MSRP $24. Wow. Oh my god, look at that color, you guys. That is so beautiful and neutral. Ooh, I want to smell it. Ooh, it has like a real sweet cake-like smell. Oh my gosh, this looks beautiful. Look at the doe foot applicator. I can't wait to use that. Oh my gosh. This is great right here already. I mean, that already makes this box worth $21. That's great. Now we move on. The Tarteist Pro Glow. And this series came out last year. And this retails for $29. I have the color Stunner. It should be from the, yes, it is from the whole setup last year with the unicorn going on. I have the palette. Liquid highlighter, Tarteist Pro Glow. I love this packaging. I'm going to push a little bit out. And then, I never did get this though. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that right there. So pretty. So I will totally use this. I do not have it, which is remarkable. I'm going to use this. That is so awesome. They had the whole set last year, and that was one thing I did not get. Now we have the Brow Gal, and this retails for $22. Wow. Oh, this is great. Look at that. Super exciting. I want to see the wand in it. I'm always looking for new product for my brows to simplify and make them look fuller. This, I love the packaging. It's like matte. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I'm going to so use that. Oh, this is a great box, you guys. Okay, then we have the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. MSRP $47, which is no lie for Dr. Brandt. Very great beauty care products. I do not have this. Whenever Boxycharm puts Dr. Brandt in there, it is an A+ automatically. Pore Purifying Mask. Ooh. After cleansing, apply a thin layer to area of concern. Avoid eyes. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week. So I am so going to use this. This is great. Oh my gosh. Now we have the ColourPop My Little Pony, and this retails for $16, and I believe I gave away a My Little Pony palette. I believe it was ColourPop. I know I had the ColourPop and I had the pure one. This is super, super cute. I am not going to touch it. It will be in a giveaway because I have a lot of ColourPop palettes, and I think I have this one and I gave it away. Like I said before, I don't want to touch it, so this is going to go in a giveaway for somebody. This box is great, you guys. Oh my gosh, I mean, this product alone is worth it, but all these, I am just, wow. If you don't have Boxycharm, if you can get it, you guys. I'm telling you, this alone can keep you going with makeup and some beauty care products, and try things up that you may have never tried before. I know I have. What a phenomenal box. This is like a total A+, even though I already have that palette. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to use these products. Phenomenal, phenomenal. Maybe I'll trade somebody this palette for another one. I know there's a site you could trade. Maybe I'll do that, but I like to give it away though, so I'll probably just give it away. This is great, you guys. I am super, super excited. Thank you, Boxycharm. You're my #1 subscription. I have this, and I have Glossy Box. That is it, and they are phenomenal. I highly, highly recommend it. What a great box. Every month, I am shocked and surprised and amazed and happy with my box from Boxycharm. Oh, that is amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so excited to use the product. Look at that shimmer. I'm not really into the liquid shimmer, but that one looks beautiful. You guys, make sure you're subscribed, everybody, and make sure you're not private, because if you are private, when I go on my computer and I print out the names and I add them to my giveaway, I don't see you. I don't see you. You don't get printed. You don't go on the giveaway. But I do have some on here that I know have been on here forever, and they are not popping up, so I have to make their name myself. But I would appreciate it if you check your settings. Make sure you hit my notification bell, or your notification bell, I should say, and give me a thumbs up. And follow me on Instagram, SusanYoung1974. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Stay cool. It's a little bit warm, but not as much as Monday, thank God. Woo. Super hot. I am so excited for my giveaway. Friday will be the redo giveaway. Friday redo, not live. I will record, and I will do the giveaway personally, and I will put it up on YouTube and Instagram. So the redo giveaway is Friday, and then the other giveaway with the other blood sugar palette is going to be near the end of April. I have not decided on the date, but they are both open, and my first declutter box is gonna go out this week. I'm just so over it. The second box is still a work in progress, but I'm gonna give away the first box this week. So 2 giveaways this week, you guys. Keep it going. I love my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.